DIY gift. Crafting with love. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the meaning and significance of the phrase, gift. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how it's used in the English language, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Gift is a compound phrase that can be split into two main parts, DIY and gift. DIY, this stands for do it yourself. It refers to creating, building, or repairing something without the direct assistance of professionals. It emphasizes the personal touch, effort, and creativity someone puts into a project. Gift, this is something given willingly to someone without payment. It's a present. So, a gift is a present or gift that someone has made themselves, rather than buying it from a store. Why would someone give a DIY gift instead of a store-bought one? There are several reasons. 1. Personal touch. DIY gifts often carry a special meaning because of the time, effort, and love put into making them. It's a way to show someone that you've thought about them specifically and wanted to craft something unique. 2. Budget-friendly. Sometimes, creating a gift can be more cost-effective than buying one, especially if you already have the necessary materials at home. 3. Creativity. It allows the giver to express their creativity and make something truly one of a kind. To give you a clearer picture, here are some examples of DIY gifts. 1. Handmade jewelry, like bracelets or necklaces crafted with beads, threads, or other materials. 2. Customized photo albums, filled with memorable photos and maybe even annotations about the memories. 3. Homemade bath salts or soaps, created with scents and ingredients tailored for the recipient. 4. Hand-painted mugs, painted using porcelain paint to reflect a design the recipient would love. Remember, the list of DIY gifts is endless, limited only by one's imagination. So there you have it. A DIY gift is more than just a present, it's a personal touch, a piece of your heart given to someone special. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, a DIY gift can speak volumes about how much you care. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and maybe even inspired you to craft your own DIY gift for someone special in your life. Until next time, happy crafting!